Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to use Gemini with your Google Workspace, and then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can just do it. So it's pretty simple, and also some effective. In some way, you can be effective, but with this feature. So you just need to click on the settings and go to the apps, and you'll find this type of interface where you can find the productivity section, you can find the Google Workspace. So make sure that you have toggle this on and simply click on this connect button here. So it will connect your Google Workspace that are actually associated with your email address here. So you can find that you can now use all the apps that are included in Google Workspace. For example, if I just add symbol here, so it will show me all the enabled apps that are actually related to Google Workspace. So I'm going to search for Google Docs here. So I'm going to ask it for like find a doc file named resume, and I have hit enter, and let's see how it interacts. If it could find the doc file, so I have a resume doc file on my Google document. So here is content. So here it is not giving me the answer here. So I'm going to try that again. So I'm going to copy that all of this here. Now copy it, and I'm going to do that again like Google Docs, and I'm going to paste it. And let's see this time. So it you should try multiple times. So once you try it in this section, it can show you the result. So here you can regenerate it, but tap on it, the regenerate button here. So sometimes it won't give you the personal information that are related to that query, or that actually here you can see it is started to giving that result here. So you can ask for something that is I'm going to add another prompt here, like, so sometimes it is there's pretty much of restrictions that Google Gemini can access your personal informations. It can access your projects, or it can't actually not interact with your projects. If you are in app, for example in Docs, so in some cases you can use Gemini, but you have to go log into your application. So you can add some AI like Gemini. You can simply get this extension from here, then you can search for Gemini. Here you can simply click on it, and here is AI Assist Gemini that you can use for and also you can search for only Gemini here. So you can find different types of this is actually a different research AI Gemini that actually using Gemini model to get your work pretty much easier. So here you can see I'm going to asking a question that is there any doc file named resume. So let's see that Gemini can answer this question of mine. So let's wait, and it's connecting with my workspace here. So yes, you can see it has just given me the answer, and yes, there is a document named resume in your Google Drive. It was last modified on Monday, and the date actually, so it's pretty much cool that it has all analytics about my Google Docs. So you can simply click on the docs to open directly the doc, and it will help you to get the lost file if you have enough and messy environment in your Google Docs. It can also interact with rest of this application like Google Tasks, your Gmail, and Google Drive, and also Google Flights, and also Google Sheet. But there is not the sheet here, so you can simply search for Gmail. So is there any verification mail in last hour? Remember, Gemini only can answer your queries or inquiries actually related to basic information, but it won't provide you any type of personal data. So here you can see, I just asked for that, is there any verification mail in last hour? So it has just answered me, yes, there is a verification email in the last hour. So if I just ask for that, give me the verification code, so let's see it can give me the verification code or not. So you have to wait until it connects with you. So here you can see I looked for the verification code in the email from Proton, but it doesn't seem to be included in the email content. The email discusses Proton features like password health and dark web monitoring. So it has just told this message just because of this Proton extension. But if you don't have any password manager extensions, then it will say that sorry, that this AI model can't actually give you personal details, or it will give you some errors. So that's how you can simply use Gemini with your Google Workspace, and it is pretty awesome and useful. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.